I'm going to be installing a Weiser Deadbolt lock. Keep watching the video. Welcome back. It's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and on this channel we do do-it-yourself videos, product reviews, vacation videos, and much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I've got the Weiser Deadbolt lock. I'm going to be installing the previous locks already removed, so I'm going to go ahead and take you through the process of installing a brand new Weiser lock. So let's come in and let's take a look at this. So in the box, you have the most important part, which is your deadbolt. And before installing, you just want to make sure that you're installing it the right way. You'll notice that on the side, it will say up. So just make sure that's pointing up. And the plate doesn't really matter, it works either way. And you'll have the two screws that you can secure that with. So I'm just going to go ahead and start installing that. This should fit nice and snug in here. And just make sure that's the right way. Okay, and it is. And now I'm going to install the plate. Just using a Phillips screwdriver. You can use a drill, you can use an impact gun, whatever suits your needs the best, but I'm just doing it by hand. So the rest of the hardware in the box is going to be your lock cylinder with your key, your knob so that you can lock and unlock the door from the inside, and of course your two screws. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the lock and I'm just going to put that through the center bolt, and you'll notice that it'll line up from the shaft. Just like so. Next, we're going to put the inside knob in and just line that up. The same thing with the outside. That's just going to go right through. And then what you want to do is just turn the lock to the center so that you have access to the screws to tighten everything down. So I'm just going to put the screws through and just make sure that I can catch the other side and just get a little bit of thread by hand before I start using the Phillips screwdriver. So now that they're hand snug, I'm just going to use the screwdriver and just not tighten it all the way, but almost to the point where it's tight. And I'm just going to make sure everything's in its correct position and adjust anything I need to before fully tightening the screws. Just double check, make sure everything's flush and secure on both sides. Now I'm going to tighten it down. Okay, so I'm just going to check the door, the lock from the outside. And of course, that is definitely working. Perfect. So I just also want to mention that this lock also comes in a nickel or other finishes if you don't want the brass finish. So that's it. If I can do it, you guys can do it too. I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Give us a thumbs up. Like our video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you plan on changing your lock or if Weiser is a type of lock that you want to use to change for your deadbolt. And we'll see you next time from jefflepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.